Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can select English on Duolingo. Let's get started. First, open the Play Store on your phone, search for Duolingo and download the app. Once it's installed, open Duolingo. Here you'll see two options. If you already have an account, just tap on I already have an account. If you don't, simply tap Get Started. After that, tap Continue a couple of times until you reach the screen that asks, "What would you like to learn?" On this screen, you'll see different languages like Russian, Korean, Portuguese, and many more. If you scroll down and tap on More, even more languages will appear. Now here's the thing, Duolingo is designed mainly for learning languages from English, not for learning English itself. That's why you won't see English listed as a learning option. Instead, the app automatically sets English as the default interface language. That means everything in the app, the instructions, the lessons, and the navigation already appear in English. It also gives you many options for different languages to learn. In my case, I decided to select Irish as an example. Once you choose a language, Duolingo will guide you with a few setup questions like whether you're a beginner or already know some basics. Just answer these quickly by tapping Continue through each screen. After that, the app will load, and as you'll notice, the entire interface is already in English. So technically, you don't need to manually select English. Duolingo has already set it up for you. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you stay updated with all our upcoming tutorials.